Today, these are our Crossroads partners that have developed an integration between their applications and our Switch solutions. And you see that those different Crossroads partners provide solutions for different what we call application domains, specific solutions. So if you are looking for a solution that requires image optimization or color management, or you want to have a web to print or file transfer solution that enables file transfers from a remote site to Switch, then you just look into this what we call the partner overview, and then you will find various partners, and later on I will talk also about Crossroads a bit more, and they because Crossroads is also a web portal where you will find all these partners back, and then you can also learn about what solutions they provide that will integrate with Switch. With regards to Switch, we have today 3 Switch product flavors that each accommodate specific needs. From left to right, we have a light switch, full switch, and power switch user, increasingly providing you more functionality and being more powerful. The light switch, in essence, takes mostly the inputs that I've explained earlier when it comes to hot folder input, FTP server queries, and checking email accounts and pulling the attachments from the emails. It then sorts and routes the files that it takes in based on file type, naming convention, or variables, and it then uploads these files back to FTP servers, or it drops it in a hot folder for further processing by another solution, and it can send email notifications to the users or to the operators. The full switch product is the next product in line, provides actually all the features that the light switch provides, but comes standard also with one switch client application, which you may run on a Mac or a PC, and which enables you to submit jobs into Switch, and also enables you to manage the jobs from the Switch client application. The full Switch enables the integration and the automation of the third-party applications through the configurators. And here are the ones that you actually also saw in the partner overview. And of course, WoodWing is one of our Crossroads partners, providing the integration to the enterprise solution. The power switch is the most robust switch solution that we have. It actually includes everything that is full switch, which means that it also includes everything that is the light switch. It's very strong and very powerful in the processing of XML, JDF, and XMP information. So it handles metadata very well, and Bert is going to talk about that. For customization of the workflow and for additional programming by means of scripting, Power Switch supports scripting, and it actually comes with a Switch scripter, so a development tool to enable the user or integrators to develop scripts, debug and test the scripts, and after everything is fine, you use the switch in combination with the power switch, and then you have your unique and customized workflow. The power switch comes standard with 5 clients, and if more is required, then we provide options for additional 1 or 5-pack client users. Now, things to remember when it comes to Switch: Enfocus Switch is very affordable and easy to use. You will not believe it, but we start from 900 euros up to 6,000 euros when it comes to the Switch investment. That's not counting in, of course, the third-party application, but that contains a Switch product, including 1 year what we call maintenance, which means software updates and major version upgrades, as well as premium support by email or phone. It's well, easy to use, and you will see that in a minute when Bert is going to demonstrate the graphics user interface of the Switch product. It's very cost effective when it comes to upgrading from light to full and from full to the power switch. It's very flexible when it comes to making flow and customizing flows for your specific needs, also very highly configurable. And because of the upgrade possibilities that you have, and also the way you can define flows and enhance the flows as you go, it enables a step-by-step deployment. It also integrates easily with other applications that cover a wide application area, as I explained before. And the most important thing is that it takes the repetitive and manual tasks out of the hands of the operator. Operators should not have to watch FTP servers, should not have to deal with files that are delivered to them and manually check them on what the file type is, or try to find out where these files came from. Switch will do that all for you in an automated way, and so there is no user intervention required, and that is very unique. There is no other product in the market today that does provide that type of functionality. And what is very important for the users that use Switch today is that they can spend their quality time on other things. They can do what they are hired for, and that is working on the jobs and also dealing with customers. We also have Enfocus Crossroads. Enfocus Crossroads is actually a community that we have set up around Switch. Switch is the automation solution, and we thought at one point in time to help customers with their investment and to help them, let's say, get more proficient about automating Switch in combination with third-party applications. We thought that a community would be very helpful, where we would bring Switch users, the third-party vendors, the dealers, integrators, and anybody else that has anything to do and wants anything to do with automation together. And this together is actually a meeting point or a meeting place that may happen at exhibitions. They may happen at, well, this occasion, the webinars, where we educate customers on the automation and integration possibilities, as well as automation seminars that we organize in the various territories and in the various countries. And the key thing about the Enfocus Crossroads community is that Switch users learn from other Switch users or from other parties. And for that we have also set up a Crossroads World web portal, and that web portal actually provides, besides the meeting points at the exhibitions or the automation seminars, a 24/7 source of information when it comes to how to automate various things by means of forums that you can visit and learn from other users when they posted questions or answered questions from other users. There are partner blogs that are educational content that users can read and learn from. We have users, but also our partners, that have created Switch flows, finished workflows that can be downloaded and can be imported in your own Switch and help you starting in your automation setup and challenges. So there are various ways that we are trying to help our customers to make the best out of Switch, not only in combination with the Switch solution, but also with the Crossroads partners, our third-party vendor solutions.